Good
and good
morning.
morning. We would like to welcome you all to the next edition of Assemblies, aka Assemblies Online. We're still improving and figuring out technical stuff, so please bear with us if anything occurs. Also, I would like to say a huge thank you to Luki, who is managing the control room for all the work and time he has put it in for Assemblies to run, even though we're all at home. So, without further ado, we would again proceed with our traditional clap. So, good morning, Live Academy.
And now the next part of our assembly, as always, is our traditional quote. And the quote for this week is, "It's our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities." It's by Albus Dumbledore, and I wonder who chose this quote. So, and the next part is CE News. So, welcome CE News team.
Hello, it's Monday, it's around 9:15. I'm Lukáš Mikulec. Good morning. On the program today, analysts have released possible scenarios of coronavirus pandemic in Slovakia. We will analyze the graph as well as briefly look at the situation in CE region. Several judges whose names appeared among those who had communicated with Marian Kočner were swept up by Action Storm in the early hours of March 11th. The judges have been detained on charges of corruption, interference with the independence of courts, and obstruction of justice. We will have more. How coronavirus is impacting the global economy. We will speak with our correspondent for economics, and we will revise the basic precautions against coronavirus pandemic with our correspondent. This and more coming up on today's edition of CE News. So now let's revise the basic precautions against coronavirus pandemic with Nina Nemetova.
COVID-19, Corona, Dorona, Boomer Remover. Call it whatever you want. Basically, coronavirus. Coronavirus has, as we all know, become a pandemic. Most of the countries have went under a mandatory quarantine, and health measures are supposed to be taken by each individual. In this easy step-by-step guide, I will show you how to prevent the virus at home, in most cases. So let's get started. First of all, let's start with the step, wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Why is this important? It is important to keep the germs from spreading. Here I am showing a little clip for the people who may not know how to wash their hands, but you get the point. But remember to wash them for 20 seconds. Now the question is, what if I do not have soap and I do not have water? Well, I have an answer for you. The answer is as easy as it may seem. Hand sanitizer. With this bad boy, you're all set to go. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Your hands touch a lot of stuff on the daily, and you do not want to get those things into your face. Hand sanitizer will once again become your best friend. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Same thing as with the hands. Your hands touch these things, bacteria gets on them. You don't want that, so you have to disinfect. As the basic human manner says, you do not want to get sneezed on by someone into your face. So please, especially in this case, cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue or a sleeve and then throw the tissue in the trash. Avoid close contact with people. Please keep at least a meter distance. Try not going outside as often. There is a chance that you can catch the virus. But if you really have to, make sure you wear a face mask and gloves. A face mask from the pharmacy or a handmade one should do the job. Thanks a lot for watching and make sure to stay safe.